naked, topless. They shadow ban you.
What's good? Good white people stuff.
Japanese.
Oh, I think I'm gonna go savage mode today, Hyphy. Just straight tap it, man. Tap in, man. Get a little more. Make it a full scoop. I think I'm gonna just tap in and sip on my water, man. Lord, make sure I'm all right today. Rolly check just for sake of you. Don't be jealous. Bro, you gonna have to finish off with the rolly check, man. Or somebody else gonna get a rolly and take your spot.
Finish off with the rolly check. Come on. I'm filming and doing it. Come on, bro. Don't be jealous. God damn, this guy.
Oh yeah, I'm mouthed, huh? I'm nervous about doing. I did it yesterday. I felt good though.
Oh, then you're good.
Let me see if I can read the ingredients for y'all. There's no caffeine in this. It's just vitamins like glutamine, citrulline, green tea, extract. You got taurine, you got vandal sulfate, will give you a mad pump. And so those are the main ingredients. No caffeine, baby. So I could do that with it. Insane pumps, baby. Let's get it. We've been on the road lately. Haven't been extremely busy where we can't get our workout. So that's a good thing because I want to be shredded for come May, June. I'm gonna be at carb meets, shirtless, you know what I mean? So don't bring your girls and stuff. Or, you know, you men, don't bring your boyfriend either. They be lusting too, you know what I mean? Non-gender, you know what I mean? Non-binary. It is what it is, man. So Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, I'm with y'all, man.
Good money.
Woo! Money, money, money. Come on, man. I know y'all ain't gonna let an old heart attack recipient outdo you, man. Got all the game. Most of y'all got the youth on your side. What's the problem? Huh? You eating too much soy? You using them microwave too much? The testosterone turned into estrogen? You drinking milk? Did you know milk is estrogen? Hyphy Whitey? I didn't know that. No. I knew it was bad for you. They don't tell people that. Google it if you think I'm lying. I don't talk about nothing I don't know what I'm talking about. Stop eating all this bullshit, all these chemicals. And man, that microwave, ooh boy, it's making the women make fun of you guys. Your performance. Man, back then, see the roll, had that lower back tight. I don't like how my lower back looking. Just to think, I'm 35 years in and still want to look perfect. You know, I don't like skin I see. I gotta tighten that up. It's an all forever life thing, man. Oh, gotta get up under there. Gotta get in there, baby. Sit all the way in it. You know what I'm talking about, hey boy?
All right, you're all the way in?
All the way in it.
All right, buff nuts.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Talk to me, nice. Call me what you want, but don't call her back the wrong way, whatever that be. Man. Let's get you, boy. See what you doing over here, boy. See what you doing, boy. Sitting all the way in. A lot of people don't sit all the way in. Got to put your whole body up. Least amount of rocking. Pulling straight with your back. But in order to do that, you gotta go a lighter weight. Weight that you can feel you get 15 reps or better with. Good.
We're getting rich. Keep it rolling, right?
Raw footed. Raw, uncut footed.
They like it raw.
YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Getter, Twitter. Because you know it's a Getter now, right?
Getter.
True. Hey. I'm with you. I'm with you. Hey, I'm with him, hey.
I'm with her.
You know what I mean?
I'm with them.
Hey, you gotta conform sometimes, you know what I mean? Just like in history. when Christians overtook Muslims, Muslims overtook Christians,
Yeah.
everywhere. Hey, you gotta say if you're a Muslim, guess what? You better say you're a Christian.
Yeah, right.
If you're
Yeah.
a Christian, you
You're
better
right.
say you're a Muslim.
You're
you
right.
know?
Yeah.
Get weird, baby.
Yeah, I'm with you.
I love America. This is an expensive outfit, but you know, I don't want to make nobody feel bad. Gas prices up, and I don't like that. All my cars are 600 horsepower or better, V8, 8-cylinder. Boy, the Trackhawk's 6.2 liter. You know what I mean? What else I got? The Camaro, sucking up gas. The Benz, sucking up gas.
Yeah.
I'm with y'all, man. Hey, I'm with you.
Looks like it's working. Get that money.
Oh yeah. See that I ain't even gotta show my body though, but cause they shadow banning. The old people did know it's fitness. You're naked, topless, they shadow ban you. So that's coming from the OG, man. 15 years on the internet. Shadow ban you if you topless, man. All y'all wonder why your won't blow up. That's why. That's why you don't see me topless though, boy. But you will. It's gonna be the videos that I know what it is. A lot of y'all don't know what it is. I didn't know about shadow ban till last year. Never even heard the term. My TikTok is cranking. 5 million, 4, 3, right? 10, 15, 20, 90 million. Then all of a sudden you put a video that they don't like. So you get, they'll take it down, say you're against policies. And from there you shadow ban for about a few days to a week. Then they let your views go back up. I've been dealing with that. My YouTube, I've always dealt with it, but they don't tell you. You gotta pray that the powers that be let you be seen. And you just gotta be kid friendly. No cussing, none of that. It's this.
Soft.
YouTube, Facebook. Got on my jacket. I'm clothed, fully clothed.
I see. Oh, you got pants on? Do you have pants on?
Oh, yeah, I got pants.
Oh,
Shoes too.
I can see your ankle.
I got socks. Oh, hold up.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
got
you.
on socks, too.
I don't want people to get turned on by your ankles.
So what about the female gamers? All they boob?
I see a little skin.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
How's that?
It's better.
How's that? Should I wear gloves too? Maybe
Yeah.
I just come in a hazmat suit.
Yeah.
How, you want to do
Space suit? Yeah, I think you
the
can come in space suit.
astronaut suit?
Yeah, you can come in
Oh, that's
astronaut
going
suit.
viral. Give me
Yeah,
one
really
more
shake
time.
it. Don't be jealous. You're gonna put me on camera like that?
Oh yeah. Oh, look at old yoga nuts. Old buff nut.
That's right. That's eating pecans and peanut butter and ground beef for breakfast diet right there.
What you doing?
Look at that.
Oh, you worried about cuts.
He's gotta be on something.
You worried about cuts.
He gotta be on
Everybody else worried about how much they weigh, homie.
Yeah.
Puffiness, creatine,
Yeah.
protein powder.
That's right.
Yeah, what's your deal? Why you so cut? That being cut like that don't even look right, man.
What don't look right about that, huh?
Being cut don't even look right like that.
What don't even
man.
look right about that, huh?
Well, gotta get back to old school movements. Compound.
And why is it a compound movement? Why do they call it that?
Because it's just a basic way your muscles go. Direction, like your arm just straight up, down. Chest, straight up. Shoulder, leg. It's just a compound movement of your body.
Okay. Versus isolated, right?
Right, yeah.
Okay. He's told me to sit into it.
Money stacked, muscles jacked. Ooh, ooh. First time having seaweed salad. I like it. And I'm gonna get the same thing. Make it easy.
The same modification as this?
It's not as fishy as that other we had yesterday. It's good. Good white people stuff.
It's Japanese.
Oh, bad white people
Yeah.
everything. Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Good white rice, Japanese style. You got that good beef. Ooh, shreddy. You picked a good meal, Hyphy. Rolly check,
Okay.
man.
All right,
Look
man.
at
It's the
you.
third rolly check. Okay.
Don't
You
be
gonna be
jealous.
jealous? Okay.
Man, Hyphy picked some good stuff today, man. I gotta taste that sauce. I need the sauce. Hyphy be rapping about the sauce. When I be in it. I be
I already
in
got the sauce. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Thank you for that. Thank you for this day. Thank you for blessings. Watch over health, wealth, success. Let the world come to terms and be positive for a change. But we know the world loves nothing but violence and respect nothing but violence. So this gonna happen. But we have to watch over us to where we ain't got to ensue violence on people that want to experience the violence. Watch over family, friends, business associates. Amen. Hyphy.
Yeah.
Let's go on a move to Japan, man.
Hey, that's what you said. You wanted to eat like the Japanese.
Let's move to Japan, man. Japanese, I love y'all, man. Just me and Hyphy Whitey move over there. We get some good content over there. But I think Japanese have many wives that want. The beef is, it's okay. That's why Japanese live so long. Water in the metal cup.
Oh, that's it.
And just food from the earth. They're not putting high fructose corn syrup in their food.
Say it again.
Yeah, I'm a world star, yo.
No,
Go ahead.
you're gonna do
that's
nothing.
what's up.
You're gonna do nothing.
Huh? How you be?
Yeah, that's how people hold their phones, right? Yeah.
Let's see, what you were saying now?
I was saying,
Man, let me take a gum. I ain't got time for you. I need my daily dose of caffeine.
oh wow.
Work gum, man. Go to
Wow.
hyphylife.com, get yours today. Hey, if you need a pick-me-upper, this is the best route you want to go right here. 50 mgs of caffeine, nootropic, have your brain on focus. Oh yeah, and as you see, it matched my pretty outfit. Damn, how many rooms you
This is
got?
the conference room, so we can sit here. I'll be doing all my little podcasts and round tabling right
Yeah, it
here.
looks nice.
So this is our little spot where we just
Look
do
at old
our-
Buff Nuts up there, man. Old Buff Nuts. We call each other Buff
Oh
Nuts.
Yeah.
Studio B, that's our little podcast. We
Yeah.
pulled a little desk together and get doing the interviews and stuff. The big boy
Nice.
that pretty much do all the stuff here. All the little graphics that you got on your card, it
Well,
pretty much does
So
all
who do that one?
I do it. I do
With
it.
the gold on it?
Yeah, I pretty much do everything
I
here.
love that black and gold.
Oh yes, I've been here going on 3 years
Oh,
in
yeah?
October. So
Dang.
put everything together. I built this back room out. What we're about to show you. This was our main focus back here.
Look at all, he trying
So
to
I
outdress
actually-
us, man. This
I
trying to
actually
outdress us,
built
man.
all this whole. Shit. It was a double door wide.
Oh, yeah?
open.
Oh, Callie wants to do another song now.
Yeah.
Look at him.
Oh,
Yeah.
Don't get me behind the mic, man. I'm thinking you know what I mean?
I designed pretty much all this with all my
Damn.
little ideas with the cushion walls and
Oh, nice.
figuring out how to put everything in here.
Sounds
So
good.
Yeah.
we knocked it out. Even
I haven't
added
seen
the air
nothing like this
conditioner.
in a while.
Damn pad coming down, but the air come out, blow nice and
Oh, it
cold.
feel
for
good
you.
in here.
So it keep you nice and cool. You know,
Damn.
in the hot box.
Because I had a studio myself, but it was just probably this.
right.
Yeah, my studio I had. But this is nice, man.
Yeah, it had
Wow.
the same little, the walls. We added this. We pretty much did everything. We soundproofed it, put the rock wall in here
Wow.
inside all the walls, made sure everything was right.
Damn, that imagery, man.
Right, and that's
It's just
that's the
That
old
get
school
you in the
legends
mood right there.
Exactly.
that boy got a $5,000 outfit on, man.
I know.
Oh yeah, he the one with all this high class
Fashion, huh?
Yeah, he wear all the
Yeah.
fashion. All
Do
the
you be
teeth.
posting pictures like this outfit?
I need to start posting more pictures, like taking more photo shoots. You know, but,
Rare to see outfits like this.
Yeah.
For real?
Doing,
Yeah, come on, man. Walk around and
who's
just,
us
yeah,
like
yeah.
us, man? Me, you, and this. That's it.
Got you right here.
Oh,
You right.
that's the
color
whole.
shit.
Oh
That's the
man,
top and
thank
bottom
you.
right there as well.
Oh boy, we gotta bring him a whole host of hyphy mud so he can OD.
I'm gonna hook you up with this. I'm gonna make you the shirt to go with
Okay.
this. That way you just got the top and bottom. These
hell
are
yeah.
medium too.
Hell yeah.
Make sure you got
Appreciate that, dog.
A little stitching on there.
Yeah, it is an
That
epic
blue and
stitching.
white
Yeah,
right
yeah.
there.
Yup.
This one right here, boy, and it's popping out like that.
I got my heart. No joke. I fucked up by giving them all that. I didn't, you know, I was just.
Yeah, trying to guess them.
I already hear the drop and everything.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm digging it. Yeah. I like watching the process.